Do you know what a list is? Probably not. Learn with me in 100 seconds. So, a list. It's like a big variable, and it can hold multiple items of the same data type. So here I have multiple integers, here multiple strings, here multiple booleans. So I print those, as you can see, just prints what's in the list. Now there's a length function, which lets you check the length of the list, or the amount of items in the list. So if I print length list 1 or length list 2, 4 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 items in each list. Next. Once we've defined the list, we want to be able to remove and add things to it. So pop, what it does, this is removing things from a list. It basically just takes the last item on the list and just removes it. So if we pop this, 98 will be gone. Then we pop again, 55 will be gone. And you see, 98 gone, 55 gone. Now the way to add to a list, we add at the end of a list. So if we append 1 and then append 959, it goes from 57 this, add 1, and it's added 959. It adds it at the end of the list. Now, indexes. In a list, the first number is index 0, second index 1, then 2, 3. Now, you can have negative indexes, so like here, -1, it's at the start of the list, so -1 goes all the way to the end of the list. If you use index -1, it displays the last value of the list. Like here, index 1 should display 73, 0, 51, -1 should display the last one, which is 55, it did. -2 should display second to last, which is 11, which it did. That's the list in 100 seconds. Hope you learned something.